Wondering if your Galaxy Watch 6 is running official software or just want to check its status without opening the Galaxy Wearable app? You can do it easily using your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra right inside the device care setting. Let me show you how to do it. First, head into setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Tap watch diagnostic. Now tap the official software icon to start checking it. And that's it. This is a simple way to confirm that your Galaxy Watch 6 is using official Samsung software and not a custom or modified version. It helps keep your watch secure, stable, and working properly, especially when paired with the powerful Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.